All right, guys, this morning I'm getting a nice M60 ready. Got to tighten the chain here. It's loose. Gotta get 2 more concaves in. There's 2 in it right now. As you can see, that's one of them. Gotta clean some windows. We already got it greased. So we're gonna be putting these in a little bit. That is a job, so it takes 2 people at least. So 2 more of these. This is one of them. And we'll be in the field for wheat today. So we're doing the first field. It ain't very big, but we're gonna get it started for this year. All right, guys, getting the MacDon out of the shed. We gotta get it greased and make sure everything's good on it before we use it here. I'm gonna show y'all the field we're gonna do this. I ain't really sure the acreage on it. It ain't very big. It's a decent sized field, but this field right here, we're just gonna do it. This is the first field we're gonna do, I do believe. I think it's the most ready out of any of them, so we're gonna do that field and get this MacDon ready. Pretty sure it's a 40-foot head, 40-foot draper. Yeah, I'm gonna bring this over to the shop. We're gonna grease it up and make sure everything's good, and we'll be in the field here this afternoon. Alright, guys, we got them in. We're pulling it out of the shed now. I'm about to head to the field. Alright, guys, here's the grain cart. I'm about to pull it out, maybe grease it a little bit. We gotta get the telehandler, move these seed bags out of the way. It's in the field up there where we've been cutting trees, so we gotta go get it. We're gonna hook this drill up and pull it all the way so we can get in here. We're moving the drill out. I'm on my way to go get the telehandler in the field, and then we're gonna hook that up to the grain cart, guys. Looks like he's got the head hooked up. About to start this field up, guys. I don't know. He said the bottom isn't ready all the way yet, but the top is. So I'm sure we'll just do the top half of it up there and just knock the rust off. Here's one of our other wheat fields. It's almost ready. I still see a little bit of green in it, but it's coming along. I'd say here in a couple days this will be ready too. So everything's coming up pretty quick, guys. Get the first cutting, guys. Move these out of the way now, guys. Hopefully this pallet don't break. That way we can get this grain cart out of the way. Got it hooked up, guys. Getting the grain cart pulled out here, guys. Oh, Brent. We're testing out the hydraulics to make sure they're on the right switches that we want them. Making sure everything's good. We greased on it, so we're just now trying the hydraulics, and we're about to take it up there to the field and start putting some wheat in here. We ended up doing this whole field. It didn't take long at all. It probably took 20 minutes. But we're officially done with this field and we'll be on to the next one soon. Alrighty y'all, we're unloading the wheat that we combined the other day. Full grain cart. I'll show y'all where it's taking it. So it's coming up through here, up the elevator. I had to go up there and switch it over so it comes down this pipe, and I'll show y'all how it's coming in here. It's coming right in this grain bin. It's really dusty, I don't know if y'all can see, but this is where we're putting it, and where we're gonna put our wheat this year and store it. But I'm sitting here watching this unload, and this tire got an antler in it, so I'm gonna go over there and air it up, and hopefully it'll hold air, but I doubt it. Then the deer antlers will get you. Alrighty y'all, I'm filling it up with some air. Hopefully it'll hold. Probably not. Pretty sure it's got a deer antler in it, so that can ruin a tire. But we're hoping it'll hold for tomorrow anyway. We're gonna do some wheat tomorrow. Alrighty y'all, we're about to do the mountaintop up there is what we call it. It is a mountain. Got the Pete here, sitting down on level ground. Got the Brent, the grain cart, about to hook up the head. As y'all can see, he's taking the head up there. We're about to do another wheat field here, guys. And hopefully it stays safe, because it's pretty dangerous up there, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. And I almost had an incident last time I was on the hill. I didn't have this thing in two-wheel drive, and it went down that hill pretty fast, and it was pretty scary, but I was all right. But yeah, we're about to get everything ready and get in the field here, and hopefully I can get some drone footage. I brought the drone with me, and hopefully we can get this done and everything goes well and nothing tears up. We just started this field off, guys. Looks like some pretty good wheat, but it is a hill and it's very sketchy. I'll show y'all when we get up here. Looks like he's sliding already on the side of this hill. This is mountaintop, guys. We don't call it that for no reason. I know it don't do it justice on camera, but that is a steep old hill right here. Very sketchy, and I don't like it at all, but you know, we gotta work with what we got. But hopefully everything goes good, guys. Everybody stay safe. Alright guys, I'm about to unload it here in the Pete. Let's see here. There we go. There it goes. Yeah, I'm gonna unload it here. This is what we do. And I'm gonna fill it. This thing takes 4 of these. I'm doing one hopper off the combine for now because the hill's so steep. I don't want a lot of weight on it, so I'm just doing one at a time. And these trucks take 4 bins off a combine, so 4 loads of these. So 2 in the front and 2 in the back, and it'll be full and take it into the barn. Steep stuff right there, guys. More like the side of a cliff. We're down here in the flat bottom now. That hilltop did good. We got 2 loads off that hill. 2 truckloads. Now we're on this bottom. And it's a lot more comfortable to be doing it down here, I'll tell you that.